Hello all, I am Dr. Prabhas Sanjanbal. In today's class, we'll discuss about some problems that are related to the regular expression. Okay. The first question, the first question, the first question will find the regular expression. Find the regular expression of the first language. Okay. The first language is W X W R. W R means W reverse, means if you take here A, then I will take the reverse of W. Then Wx belongs to AB whole star. That means AB whole star means it contains any combinations of A and B, including epsilon also. Here the language generated by the given language looks like here, means all the strings are generated by the given language looks like here. If Wx belongs to AB whole star, see here, if W equals to epsilon and X equal to epsilon, if W epsilon and X equal to epsilon, why I will take both are epsilon? Because Wx belongs to AB whole star. Since it is a star, so we can take also epsilon. See here, Wx Wr, Wx Wr, W value equal to epsilon, X value equal to epsilon. So Wr means epsilon reverse. Epsilon reverse is nothing but it is epsilon. So it is epsilon. It is nothing but epsilon. Okay. Now we'll see some other languages. Here W equal to epsilon, X equal to A. In this way, we can find Wx Wr. W is nothing but here epsilon, X is A, Wr. Wr means epsilon reverse. It will give epsilon reverse means it will give epsilon. So epsilon A epsilon, it will give only A. Okay. Now we'll see W equal to epsilon, X equal to B. In this case, we'll get Wx Wr. Epsilon X means it is B, Wr means epsilon reverse. It will give what? B. It will give B. Okay. Next, see here W equals to A, X equal to epsilon. In this case, we'll get Wx Wr. W means here A, X means epsilon, Wr means A reverse. A reverse is nothing but A. So it is A epsilon A. It is nothing but double A. Okay. Then we can also get, now I just erase. Okay. See here W equals to B, X equal to epsilon. In this case, we'll get Wx, then Wr. Okay. W is nothing but here B, X is nothing but here epsilon. Wr means B reverse. So here B epsilon, B reverse means only B. So it is nothing but BB. So in this way we can get AB also, BA also, like this. Okay, this is nothing but it is complete language. That means A plus B whole star. So the regular expression is for the given language is A plus B whole star. Okay. The next question, the language equal to WXW, W comma X belongs to A comma B whole star. See here, now we'll check the language or the strings generated by the given language looks like, see here, W equal to epsilon, X equal to epsilon. So W means here, if you will put this value W, X, W, the value means what? Epsilon, epsilon, epsilon. It is nothing but epsilon. Okay. So if we'll take the value W equal to epsilon, X equal to A, then we can get epsilon, A, epsilon. So it is nothing but it is A. Okay. If we'll take W equal to epsilon, X equal to B, then we can get W means epsilon, B, epsilon. That is nothing but it will give B. Similarly, it will give double A, AB, BA, BB, like this. Similarly, we can get this type of strings also. So the regular expression is nothing but here A plus B whole star, A plus B whole star for the given language. Okay. Now we'll see the third question. Find the regular expression that generates all substrings of the given string TOC, of the given string TOC. Now we have to find the substrings of TOC. What is the substring? Here substring is nothing but substrings of TOC are here. Now we have to find the substrings of TOC. Here the substrings are epsilon, T, O, C, TO, OC, TOC. These are the substrings of the given string. So we can take any one. We can take any one of the substring. So now the regular expression is very simple for the given question. Just add all. Just take all combinations. Just take all combinations or all substrings. Substrings means epsilon plus T plus O plus C plus TO plus OC plus TOC. Okay. This one is the regular expression for the given language. Okay. The next question. Find the regular expression that generates all prefixes of the given string TOC, of the given string TOC. So it is completely similar to third question, means just like substrings. Okay. The number of prefixes are here epsilon, T, TO, TOC. So the regular expression is nothing but here epsilon plus T plus TO plus TOC. Okay. This one is the regular expression of the given question, means question 4. Okay. Now we'll see the fifth question. Find the regular expression that generates all strings of zeros and ones, and the string and the length of the string is exactly 4, and the length of the string is exactly 4. Here input alphabet is here 0, 1, exactly 4. So the regular expression means what? 0, 1. We'll just multiply this expression, means 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. This is the regular expression. Okay, for the given question. Here we can take the length of the string is exactly 4. Okay, it will give this expression, or this regular expression will give whatever strings, but the strings generated by the given regular expression is always 4. Okay. The next question. the length of the string is at least 4. The length of the string is at least 4. Here input alphabet is 0, 1. Here regular expression means here length is exactly 4. That's why we have multiplied 0 plus 1 into 4 times. But here at least 4. At least 4 means it must greater or equal to 4. So the regular expression is here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. This is the minimum condition. Then we can take 0 plus 1 whole star. Since it is greater than 4, so we can take 0 plus 1 star. So we have already known about the r into r star. It is nothing but r plus. This is the identity of regular expression. So we can take this one 0 plus 1 plus, so it is nothing but 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1. So the regular expression is here. We can write this one first case or we can write the second case. Both are the regular expression. Okay. The next question, the length of the string is at most 4. Length of the string is at most 4. At most 4 means here we can take epsilon, means length is 0, means 1. Here length of the string is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So we can take 0 epsilon plus 0 plus 1. So it will be multiplied by 4 times, since it is at most 4. So it will be multiplied by 4 times epsilon plus 0 plus 1, epsilon plus 0 plus 1, epsilon plus 0 plus 1. It is nothing but epsilon plus 0 plus 1. It is power 4. Why I add epsilon? Because the length is 0. Because the length 0 is also a valid string. That's why I have just added epsilon. That's why I have just added epsilon in every combination or in every expression. Okay. For 0, I just added epsilon in every expression. Okay. This is the regular expression. Okay. So we can take this one or we can take this one. The next question, length of the string is divisible by 4. Length of the string is divisible by 4. So here input alphabet is 0, 1. Length of the string, since it is divisible by 4, so 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, then 0 plus 1. This is divisible by 4. Then here length is epsilon mein. Since it is divisible by 4, it may be 0, it may be 4, it may be 8, it may be 12, like this. So it is the length is 4. Here this expression will generate length is 4. So then we'll take the star of whole expression. Okay. So star means first it will generate 0 or epsilon. If star value equal to 1, it will generate the string of length 1. If star value equal to 2, it will generate the string of length 2, like this. Okay. So the regular expression equal to 0 plus 1 is nothing but it is 4. 4 into whole star, right? The next question, length of the string is even. Here input alphabet is 0, 1. Length of the string is even. Even means it must be divisible by 2. So it is 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 whole star. 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 whole star. This is the regular expression. Or we can also write like this, 0 plus 1 square whole star. Okay. The next question, length of the string is odd. Odd means I'll just combine 0 plus 1 on the left part of this regular expression. That means this is even. This is even. Means 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 whole star. This is even case. When I will multiply 1, 0 plus 1 on this even case, means odd into even equal to even, sorry, odd. So this is the regular expression for length of the string is odd. Your input alphabet is 0, 1. Okay. Next case, odd zeros. Here odd 0. Odd 0 means 0 into 0, 0 whole star followed by even ones. Followed by even ones. Even ones means double 1 whole star. Here the regular expression. Okay, odd zeros followed by even ones. This is odd 0, this is even 1, right? Next question, number of zeros exactly 3, number of zeros exactly 3 over the alphabet 0, 1. Number of zeros exactly 3. So we can take 1 star here left side, we can take 1 star also here, we can take 1 star here, we can take 1 star. Means any number of or any combinations of 1 we can take, but 0 must be 3. This is the regular expression of the given question. Okay, thanks for watching.